So how to move this at the bottom of this article? Well, that will be pretty simple by using another template. So we can use that all in our index PHP, but what if we don't want? We can also use the single PHP file. So let's copy that here, go here and save it as single PHP. So we now will have a single PHP file, single post file, and then we don't need to use this anymore. We can leave that as it is, like that. And then we can also have a footer. Let's have it like that, and then move this here. Okay, so now if we refresh this, our single page, we will get that below. And then we can also style it if you want, or you don't have to. And below the title we want some outer meta tags. So if you go to our theme handbook, so this is theme handbook, and go down and scroll to the list of template tags, you can now find the outer tags. So we can get only the outer, so the outer will immediately display the outer name, get the outer will return it, and so it goes also for this. And if we want to have this outer linked, we'll use this one. So if I click on that, it will say that this function will retrieve either outer's link or outer's name. And we can now just, so if the author has a home page set, we will have a link, otherwise we'll have only a name. So we can use the outer link and not use the get to echo it immediately. So if we go here and under the title, we'll just place the outer link. And then if we go back to page and refresh it, it won't. It's here. It's right here, admin. So if we don't have a link on that one, we'll have just the admin, the admin name, right? Not a link. And if you're interested in more, you can always do this. So we can also use that. We can maybe use that. So if we go here and use this one instead and refresh it, we'll have a link one. And if we click on that, we'll retrieve all the articles from our user, our writer. And so we can also say something like that. So if we want, if we go back here and we want to get the link, so the author post link, we have also that, right? And if the author ID is required, and if we scroll down, we will always have some examples that others have placed, and the one that we could use is this one. So we can always say something like, let's say, let's get so let's copy this one and go here and we'll get link. Okay, and then we can echo that link back so we can just see what's going on. Okay, we have it, and then we say if link if there is a link, we can just say written by and use our simpleton text domain, and then we will have it placed like this. href, we have a link here, and then we'll also have get the author, and then like that. Save, and we have it like that. And else, if we don't have the link, we can just put that above. So if we have a link, let's press a link, and if we don't have, just use the author to display it, and that's it. So now we can also have some info on our author. Okay, and now we can also style the footer, so it's a bit different. Let's go to our style, go to the bottom, and then if we have the H entry, so we go here, so H entry, footer, and let's create a background color that will be black, the color will be white, and also the links will be white. Let's now refresh it. Okay, let's add some paddings to it, like that. Great. So now we have that, and that's it. Also, what I want to do, if I go to our here, so the visited is like that, and actually I don't want that to have such styling. So if we go to our article header, so we go to our we don't have one, so let's play article header, and let's have a black one, and we don't also have we don't want this underline. Okay, much better. Now we have this, and we also learned how to use the single PHP file to place it a little bit differently. And also, since we have both links and the regular text in white, let's have the underline here on our links in footer. So we can go to the text decoration, underline, save it, and here it is. Okay, so we have that also. We have it like that, and in the page example we have the simple index one, which is fine on the page. And the next video we'll go and create our footer.